And we're back. So location is everything, and sometimes you just end up in a crappy place. And you can kind of see by these videos or clips I'm going to put in right here, this is where we stayed at last night. But yeah, this is... And that's not a look of a happy wife. Nope. But we found this place. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. If you're in the area, this is where you want to stay. It's a little pricey, but we are in Disney, Oklahoma, at an area owned by the Grand River Dam Authority. And they've opened this area, this spillway below the dam, into a huge off-roading mecca. And it looks like an amazing amount of fun. There's 5 state parks in the area. The problem we ran into is in our planning, I didn't realize the Ultra 4 USA racing teams were there with an event. So as we're weaving in and out of the water and the trails, we're getting passed by race trucks and buggies, and we just decided it was not safe for us to be there. So we headed back and had tacos. And oh man, those tacos were good. But we're gonna have to go back and explore the area. It looks like some amazing off-roading that's middle of the United States. But I can't really give you a review on it because, again, the place was closed for the event. The Big Iron Rally is much smaller than Overland Expo Mountain West or even More Expo. But it is a enjoyable little rally to go to. Much like many of the other expos, you have classes you can take, you have food vendors, you have vendors selling different overlanding apparel and equipment. And the one thing that makes this event unique from all of them is Brutus. I mean, this thing is amazing. There's also live bands here. It's going to be an enjoyable trip, and I'm glad we made it here. This is kind of fun. It doesn't matter if you come in a tent, a rooftop tent, a van, custom builds. off-road teardrops, or even old military vehicles. Just come, you'll enjoy this one. This is a fun-packed weekend. Another nice feature about this event is the amount of people that are here. There are hundreds of Overlanders here. What is nice is you're able to talk to them, see what equipment they're using, what they like about it, what they don't like about it, and help guide you into making intelligent and informed decisions so you can have the best overlanding kit for your money, for your budget, for your personality. What did you think of the first night, hon?
Not bad.
Not bad?
Not bad. It was a little loud, but the music was decent.
Yep, good time.
Yep.
Great breeze this morning. So we're gonna head up to check out this. This place is absolutely amazing. Okay, from outside you know it's big. When you get inside this, holy buckets. That is the boss lady running the Brutus.
Let's go.
Such a massive piece of equipment, and this is the controller. My shift is on.
Yep. Scoop.
There's the operator and the supervisor. Get the hell out of my way. Stop.
Let me help you out with that.
You go. You don't want me turning wrenches on this. It won't fit in the garage. Kind of reminds me of Navy. Watch your head, crawling through machinery. Yeah, I was gonna say. Decepticon.
We definitely are. Just don't wake him up and we're good.
Yeah. All right, we've been exploring the Overland parking lot, looking at all the different vehicles, and this has to be, in my opinion, the coolest one. And I've already broken it to my wife. We're buying one. We have to have one for the garage, and I don't know.
I'm not convinced yet. I think it's pretty cool. I would love to go for a ride in one, but I don't think that we need one.
Yeah, we need this. Yeah. At least you're more impressed about this than you were the old white truck.
I'm not impressed. That's true. But as we know, happy wife makes a
happy life.
Yeah.
But it's also easier to ask for forgiveness than it is permission.
Sometimes.
Your name is?
Joe Sparks.
Joe Sparks?
Yeah.
I'm Jennifer.
And Jennifer?
Marco Peralta.
Marco? And you're with Out In It for Life Instagram. How do you pronounce it? What is this?
It's a Sterpook Pinsgauer.
Sterpook Pinsgar. And what years did they run?
74 through 2000.
74, 2000.
Yeah.
How long have you had it?
About 6 months.
6 months.
Yep.
Why? Why this?
Well, I was just looking for something odd to go off-road and camp and play with, and this fit the bill.
Oh, it definitely does. Where do you get parts? Do you go to AutoZone and say, hey, I need brakes? Do you need?
Some of the parts you can get at AutoZone, the ignition parts and things like that. Okay. And then the rest of the parts, there are several importers around the U.S. that carry all of the parts for them. They import them, and they're easily found. So
gotcha.
Nothing too hard to find on them, and it's not super expensive.
And you were saying over 20 miles to the gallon?
Yeah, and on the way here, it got 23 miles per gallon. 23 miles to the gallon.
Yep. Porsche engine, right?
Yeah, it has a Porsche air-cooled inline 4.
And then what were you saying its name is?
Walter. From Walter Mitty.
Walter Mitty.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
And that was from the movie, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now didn't you say something about a book? Huh? You wanted to do a kid's book?
We wanted to do a kid's book named Walter, yes.
And follow the adventures?
Yes.
Yeah.
I think you should go for that.
Give him a personality.
Yeah.
Well, it is
He's already
oozing
got one.
personality. that would be amazing. Well, thank you very much. I appreciate it. And I really think this is the coolest vehicle here at the expo. This is, I've told my wife I've got to get one. It's
It's
Yep.
neat.
Yeah, they're definitely worth having.
So,
It's a lot of fun.
Yep.
so we made it home from our 7-day, 4-state overland adventure, and the trip concluded at the Big Iron Rally with Big Brutus at Mineral Springs, Kansas. While at the rally, we ran into some longtime subscribers and met some new subscribers too, and words cannot describe how much we appreciate each and every one of you. If you'd like to help the channel, the easiest way
Is to hit the subscribe button.
while Matt and I looked for ideas for future mods to the camper and to our overlanding setup and picked up some patches, Sherah and Jen, Matt's wife, found time to take some classes. What'd you think of them?
I thought they were awesome. 3 of the classes that we went to were by Lady Overlander Radio. Ladies, check them out. They are definitely some inspiring women. They had a lot to teach us about solo overlanding, staying safe, being a first-timer, just lots of tips and tricks, and a lot of encouragement. It's really good to find your people in this world. I also went to a class for a gal doing the Rebel Rally. If you haven't heard of that, check it out. Not sure that I would venture that far, but I definitely want to watch some footage of it now that I know what it is.
Most importantly, did you enjoy your first rally expo?
I did.
Okay.
I left with some big dreams.
Okay, like what?
Like maybe preparing to do my own solo trip.
That'd be a good series to film, is her getting prepared for her first solo overland trip. For me, it was amazing to share my passion of overlanding and the experience with you, and I'm just tickled that you enjoyed it. With that,
Have a blessed day.
and remember, life's an adventure.
Go live it.
We will see you in the next video.